Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you've been dreaming about earning extra money from home, or you just love getting creative with DIY crafts, today's tutorial is made just for you. I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to design eye-catching cake toppers using Canva and a touch of AI magic. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to whip up your own unique cake toppers, but you'll also have a brand new skill you could turn into a profitable side hustle right from your living room. Let's jump right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Canva. You can use the free version, which is perfect for beginners and professionals alike. Once you're on the main Canva dashboard, look for that purple Create a Design button. It's usually up in the top right corner. Go ahead and click it. This is your starting gate for every new project in Canva. Now, most of the time you'll see suggestions for all kinds of document sizes, but for cake toppers, let's get specific. Instead of using a default size, click on Custom Size. You'll want to set the dimensions to 100 by 50 millimeters. Why? Well, this size is perfect for a cake topper. It's big enough to catch the eye, but not so large that it overpowers your cake. Take your time with this part. If you're uncertain about sizing, imagine your finished topper standing proudly on your favorite cupcake or celebration cake. Enter those measurements and then click on Create New Design. Canva will pop open a fresh, blank canvas just waiting for your creativity. The fun really starts here. Begin by adding some text. For this example, let's pick the word. You can choose any word or phrase that fits your cake's theme, from happy birthday to congrats or someone's name. Click on the text tool, add your word, and place it front and center. Now here, where things get a little bit magical, Canva's Magic Morph. This AI-powered feature allows you to instantly transform your basic text into something extraordinary, with creative styles and effects you might not have considered. Select your text, find the Magic Morph option, and scroll through the different designs. Maybe you'll go for something bold and graphic, or maybe a glittery effect. Don't be afraid to experiment. If things look a little weird, that's okay, just try another style. Sometimes the best designs come from happy accidents. Once you're happy with your text, it's time to add some images to really bring your topper to life. Click on the Elements tab or upload your own pictures if you have a specific anime character, birthday symbol, or party-themed image in mind. Try to think about what matches the occasion. If it's for a child's party, maybe go for cute cartoon characters or balloons. Drag and drop your images onto the canvas, layer them behind or around your text, and adjust their size and position until everything looks balanced. Don't worry if you find yourself moving things around a few times. Designing is all about finding what feels right. Take a moment to step back and look at your creation. Does it look fun, festive, and unique? If so, you're ready for the final step. Hit the share button in the top right corner, then select download. I recommend downloading as a high-quality PNG or PDF, which will look crisp when printed. And that's it, your custom cake topper is ready to print, cut out, and wow your friends or customers. So you just learned a simple, creative way to make professional cake toppers right at home, using just Canva and a splash of AI. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave any questions or ideas in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and don't forget to subscribe for more detailed, easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy creating.